Okay, problem number one asks us to find the area of this parallelogram. And the interesting thing about this is even though this base doesn't extend all the way to where that height is, it doesn't matter. We have a base of 3.7 and we have a vertical height forming that 90-degree angle with the base of 7.6. And here's the formula. I just stuck it in here. Is area of a parallelogram is the product or the answer is the multiplication of the base and the corresponding height. So if we were to write that formula out, we would say area equals base times height. And we know that the base is 3.7. And we know that the height is 7.6. Then all we need to do is simply calculate those values. Let's see here. 3.7 times 7.6. We get 28.12, and the units were centimeters, so we've got 28.12 centimeters squared, and that is choice A.